To withdraw funds from Webull, follow these steps. First, make sure you have a Webull account and that it is fully verified. Verification is necessary to comply with financial regulations and to ensure your account security. Log into your Webull account using the mobile app or the website. Navigate to the main page and click on the account icon, usually represented by your profile picture or initials. From the drop-down menu, select the option that says Account or Portfolio. Once you are in the Account section, look for the option that says Withdraw or Transfer. This option may be located under the Funds or Cash section, depending on the platform layout. Click on Withdraw to initiate the withdrawal process. You will then be asked to choose the account from which you want to withdraw funds. If you have multiple accounts, such as a margin account or an IRA, select the one from which you want to withdraw. Next, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Make sure you have enough funds in your account to cover the withdrawal amount. Also, be aware of any potential fees associated with the withdrawal. After entering the amount, you will be asked to confirm the withdrawal. Review the details carefully to ensure everything is correct. If you are using the mobile app, you may need to use a verification code sent to your phone or email to confirm the transaction. Once the withdrawal is confirmed, the funds will be transferred to your bank account. The time it takes for the funds to arrive in your bank account may vary, but it usually takes 1 to 3 business days. It is also important to note that Webull may have some restrictions on withdrawals, such as a minimum withdrawal amount or a holding period for certain types of accounts. Be sure to check the Webull website or mobile app for the most up-to-date information on withdrawal policies. By following these steps, you can easily withdraw funds from your Webull account. Always keep in mind the importance of account verification and be aware of any potential fees or restrictions associated with withdrawals.